Need a COVID-19 test quickly and don't know which one to take? Here are the top 5 benefits in using rapid antigen testing and why you should consider using them for your COVID-19 testing. You might be thinking it'll be a long, difficult, and tedious process, right? Not with rapid antigen testing. Rapid antigen tests are not only simple enough to take in the comfort of your own location, they offer an incredibly quick turnaround time of about 20 minutes. Number 1. Quick results. The preeminent benefit of rapid antigen testing is in the name. The method's quick turnaround time surpasses other testing methods like PCR. Unlike the 24 to 48 hour turnaround time of PCR testing, rapid antigen testing takes 30 minutes, making it an obvious choice when you need results right away. Number 2, portability. Rapid antigen kits are very portable. This means you can easily distribute them for your business or events, making it much easier to test a large number of people. These ready-to-use kits can be quickly distributed out to employees or students, so tests can quickly take place and produce results at once. Number 3, affordability. Another great reason people are starting to choose rapid antigen testing over PCR testing is because they are more affordable. The reason that they're less expensive is because you don't need expensive lab equipment to use a rapid antigen test. This makes the process a lot more affordable for people like you. Plus, it comes in a convenient kit, making it accessible for you whenever you need to test right away, whether it's at work, at home, or an event. Number 4, you can do it yourself. The sheer simplicity of rapid antigen testing kits doesn't require any trained personnel. This means that you can test yourself as well as others without the need of any professionally trained lab techs on location. This saves you a lot of time because you can test a lot of people in a much shorter amount of time. This results in your company losing less money from taking time in the day for testing. And number 5, visual results. Results are displayed on the testing device in the kit, making it simple and easy to interpret your results. And in the case that your results show up invalid, you can just grab another kit and retest. It's quick and simple. If you need to know how to test yourself using our rapid antigen kit, you can click the link in this video or down in the description. If you or your business is in a pinch, then rapid antigen tests might be the solution for you. If it is, you can get your business set up with kits for weekly testing by clicking the link in the description. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know in the comments below, or you can email us at support@covxlabs.com. We'll talk soon.